Hi, first you should go to videocopilot.net and then in new plugin Saber, now available 100 free, you should select this download. If you have Windows, you should click this button, and if you have Apple, you should select this button. After that, it download free this Saber plugin. After that, you should double click Saber installer and install, and here you should select your version After Effects and then click next, and after that you should select finish, and after that open After Effects. Okay, now you should first create new composition. For do that, go to composition menu and then click new composition, and here select your preset format and select your time and everything, and then click OK. Now go to layer menu and in new select solid and then click OK. Now select your layer and go to effect, and in Videocopilot, as you can see, this Saber plugin add this Videocopilot Saber. Select that, and now as you can see, Videocopilot Saber add to this layer, and here we have many options and many groups. I will teach you how you can use this item. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.